असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय. Hello students, today we shall solve the exercise 14.1 problems. Question number 1. A survey was conducted by a group of students as part of their environment awareness program, in which they collected the following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses in a locality. Find the mean number of plants per house. So given this data, so given number of plants 0 to 2, number of houses 1, 2 to 4, number of houses 2, and 4 to 6, number of houses 1, 6 to 8, 5, 8 to 10, 6, 10 to 12, 2, 12 to 14, 3. So here given class intervals and the respective number of houses, it means they are, that is the frequency there. Okay, right. Now we are going to solve this. So here I am going to use direct method. So this problem we can solve by using direct method, deviation method, step deviation method, but it is convenient to take direct method. Okay, so when do we use the step deviation method? So if the values of Fi and Xi are very large, then we go for step deviation and deviation method. Okay, so this is very easy to find by using direct method. Okay, so look at here. So we have to calculate the Xi values. This is the given data. These are the class intervals and this is the frequency. Now we have to calculate this Xi. Xi is nothing but class mark. Okay, so what is the class mark formula? So class mark, lower limit plus upper limit by 2. Okay, so here what is the lower limit here? 0, upper limit 2. So 0 plus 2 by 2, it is equals to 2 by 2 gets cancelled, 1 is the Xi. So what done here? 1. This one 2 plus 6, sorry 2 plus 4 by 2, 6 by 2, 2 ones are 2 threes are, this is 3. Similarly you can find 4 plus 6, 10 by 2, it is 5. 6 plus 4, 6 plus 8, 14 by 2, we get 7. 8 plus 10, 18 by 2, it is 9. 10 plus 20, 10 plus 12, it is 22. Okay, 22 by 2, it is 11. Next 12 plus 14, it is 26. 26 by 2, 13 we get. Okay, right. Now what we have to do? We have to multiply this Fi and Xi. Okay, so we have to do multiplication here. So I am going to erase this. So 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 3, 6, 1 into 5, 5, 5 sevens are 35, 6 nines are 54, 2 11s are 22, 13 threes are 39. Okay, this is about Fi into Xi. Now we have to add these Fi values, nothing but sigma Fi. Okay, what is the formula actually for direct method? To find the mean in direct method, we have a formula Am, that number x bar equals to sigma Fi Xi by sigma Fi. So we have to calculate this here. So 9, 11, 15, 20, 25, 31, 32. Okay, 2 carry 3. Once again we'll check. 11, 15, 20, 25, 31, 32. 3 carry. 6, 7, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 16. Okay, so 162. We'll check once again. 6, 7, 8, 13, 13 plus 3, 16, okay, 162. So we have sigma Fi xi equals to 162, okay. Coming to here, so sum of all these 3, 4, 10, 15, 20. Sigma Fi is 20, okay. So sigma Fi we got 20. Substitute the values. X bar equals to 162 by 20. So 2 tens are 2 eights are 1, 2 ones are, okay. X bar equals to 81. This we can write x bar equals to 8.1, okay. So this is the mean here. Mean number of plants equals to 8.1, okay. Now exercise 14.1, problem number 2. So consider the following distribution of daily wages of 50 workers of a factory given here. Daily wage in rupees, number of workers. So rupees 200 to 250, 12 members are there. 250 to 300 rupees, 14 members are there. 300 to 350 rupees, 8 members are there. 350 to 400 rupees, 6 members are there. And 400 to 450 rupees, 10 members are there. So find the mean daily wages of the workers of the factory by using an appropriate method, okay. Now look at the solution. So these are the daily wages and these are the number of workers, nothing but it is Fi, it is frequency, these are Xi values, okay, and this is class mark, this and this different, okay, right. These values are larger here, that is why I am going to take here deviation method, okay. So what is the deviation method formula? X bar is mean, so A plus sigma Fi di by sigma Fi is the actual formula, okay. I am going to use here, right. So we need first class marks, okay. So 200 to 250, the frequency is 12, 250 to 300, frequency is 14, 300 to 350, 8 frequency, 350 to 400, 6 frequency, 400 to 450, 10 frequency, okay. These are number of workers, okay, and this one is daily wage in rupees, okay, right. So class mark, nothing but lower limit plus upper limit by 2. So lower limit is this, upper limit is this, 200 plus 250 by 2, it means 450 by 2. So 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 twos are, 1, 2, 5, okay. 225 is the class mark here, here it is 225, okay, right. Next coming to this 250 plus 300, 250 plus 300 by 2, it is nothing but 550 by 2, 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 sevens are 14, it is 5, 2 fives are, okay. So what is the remaining here? 275 is a class mark for this. Next 300, 350. So 300 plus 350 by 2, nothing but it is 650 by 2. 2 ones are, 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are, okay. The class mark is 325. Next 350 plus 400, 350 plus 400 by 2, nothing but 750 by 2, 2 ones are, 2 threes are 6, 1 carry, 2 sevens are 14, 1 carry, it is 2 fives are. So 375, here the class mark is 375. Next 400 plus 450, 400 plus 450, it is by 2, so 850 by 2, okay, 2 ones are, 2 fours are, 2 twos are, 5s are, so 425 is the class mark here, okay, right. Now what we have to do, next we have to find deviation. Di means nothing but deviation here, okay, so this is deviations, right. So we have to assume here one mean, okay, so generally we take the maximum frequency is 14, the xi value of this maximum frequency is called assumed mean, okay. Generally we take highest frequency class mark, okay, but we can take any value of the xi, okay. The mean also comes according to this assumed mean only, okay. This is my a. Why I am taking this? Due to highest frequency, okay. This is the highest frequency, that is why I am taking this as a. This is our assumed mean, okay, right. So di, we have to, what is the formula? Di equals to xi minus a. So we have to choose xi values here and a value is fixed here. So we have to perform that subtraction between xi and a. So di is equals to xi minus a. So xi, what is xi here? 225. 225 minus a value 275. So what is the difference? It is minus 50, okay. So the first deviation is minus 50. Next, coming to second one, 275 minus 275. Here xi and a value both are same, that is why we get here 0, okay. It is 0. Next, 325 minus a. It means 325 minus a value 275. It is nothing but 50, okay, right. Next, 375 minus 275, isn't it? It becomes 100, isn't it? 375 minus 275, it becomes 100. Next, 425 minus 275, how much it is, ma'am? So 425, I think 150 it is. Yes, it is 150. Okay, right. These are the deviations we got. Now what we have to do? We have to multiply the frequencies and this deviation, okay, right. So look at carefully. So now 12 into minus 50. So 50 into 12, 0, 2 5s are 10 and 50 as it is 0, 0, 600, okay. So 12 into minus 50 is equals to minus 600, okay. Next, 14 into 0, we get here 0. 8 into 50, 8 5s are 40 and this one 400, okay. Next, 6 into 100, it is 600. Next, 10 into 150, it becomes 1500, okay. Now what we have to do? So coming to formula once. So here a is nothing but assumed mean, okay. Already we got this. A equals how much? 275 and fi frequencies, okay. This we are having here, these are frequencies, okay. Next, di, nothing but deviations. We find deviations by this, using this formula, okay. Already we have found that here these are the deviations here. Next, sigma fi, sum of all frequencies. So look at here, we have to add all these frequencies here, okay. We get sigma fi here, we have to add this and remaining sigma fi into di. So here we have to add all these fi into di values. Okay, we have to do the summation here, right? So first of all, do this addition. 6 14 14 plus 4 18 20 0 2 carry 3 4 5, it is 50. So sigma fi we got 50. So I am going to erase this. So A equals to 275, sigma fi equals to 50. Now we have to do the summation of this. So here these two gets cancelled. Okay, now place minus get cancelled, this remaining. So it is sigma fi di is equals to 1900. Okay, now sigma fi di we got 1900, right? Now we have to substitute these values in the given formula. X bar is equals to 275 plus sigma fi di 1900 by 50. 0 0 gets cancelled, and 5 ones are 5 3s are 15 4 8. Okay, so x bar is equals to 275. So 5 3s are remaining 4, 5 8s are 40. Okay, so 38. Okay, now 275 plus 38 13 10 11 313. So x bar is equals to 313. It means, so average, it means mean daily wages. So mean daily wage of workers is equals to rupees 313. Okay, right? This is the mean of finding by using deviation method. Okay, right?